Hi Scorpio, welcome to your reading, and this is for Scorpio ascendant, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement in their chart. Jupiter may also resonate with the reading. Cross watchers are always welcome. Cross watchers, if I describe someone and you know that it is not you, it is not you. Just because you are connecting with Scorpio, you're gonna assume that whom I'm describing here is you. Please don't, this is not a personal reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, welcome. You might want to consider subscribing, for I am always hosting a party online wherein I am doing a live streaming. And in the live stream, you can ask me questions. If you missed the live streaming, you can still ask me questions. There's a link in the description box. Click that link, you'll be routed to my page, tap in your questions, and then click submit. 500 likes for this video, and your next video will be a full reading. So Scorpio, if you resonate with the reading, congratulations. If you do not resonate with the reading, you can come back to the reading after a week or two. Time is fluid. If you resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, still congratulations, for I am doing a collective reading. So Scorpio, if you also want to know your lucky numbers and lucky color, follow me on Instagram. There's a link in the description box that's dated January the 8th to 14th. And if you also want to know your financial forecast for the month of January, follow me on Instagram as well. If you are into twin flame readings, almost personal readings, pick a card and channel messages, might as well subscribe to the other channel, Timeless Tarot 111. Well, I hope to see you there. And let's begin. Let me just have one more shuffle here. Scorpio, how are you today? And your first card is the Six of Cups followed by the Sun. Okay. So who is this person who misses you a lot? Who is this person who wanted now to feel your warmth once again? So I can see a separation between you both with this person. Because of this separation, they understand now that their heart is truly belongs to you. This could be you who's missing someone, and you finally realize that this person meant a lot to you. Or this could be the cross watchers. Okay, cross watchers, if you feel like this is your reading, so be it. Scorpio, if you feel like you are in the cross watcher side, that is okay. I'm not reading which side you at. I am reading the energy. You can always switch the energies. I can see here this person wanted to make you happy, and this person also knows that because of the separation, you are the person who gives them happiness. That is true. They finally realize this. I can see here that this person would love to, is already on the verge of, probably making a move here. I can see that there is already a plan. The execution here is what we are waiting for. I can sense here that this person also looking at you from afar. This person separated from you, whether it is energetic or physical. You might be connecting with a Leo or has a Leo placement in their chart. Or do you have a Leo placement in your chart? I can see that this person see there will be a move here. Although the move here will not going to be too fast. However, it will also not going to be slow. But this person, would love to come back and give you the warmth. I can see here, I told you that this person is checking on you online. Probably this person is also using a dummy account, so that you can trace them. I can see your Scorpio that there is also a little age gap between you both. Yes, this person was separated from you. It's given. There is a separation. I can see here that this person probably denied their feelings before, or denied the cup that you are offering. But since of the separation. Because of the separation, this person truly understands who you are, and they want to make amends. And there you go. They wanted to make amends. They wanted to, you know, fix things. I can see here this connection has a little misunderstanding. You know, um, now this person realizes that my Scorpio here is my wish fulfillment. I would love to go back and make amends and compensate on all my shortcomings. I can see here that this person is not going to take no for an answer, even though if you say, hurtful things to them, um, they don't care. What they only wanted here is to come back, right? I saw angel number 555. Comment down below what's angel number 555 means. Um, with the Six of Cups here, they're really missing you. Let's check the Two of Wands. What made them realize? See, I told you, because there is a separation, they felt like orphaned. They felt they found a home in you. They just didn't nourish that or didn't know that before. But because of the separation, this felt like my home is, you know, my home is wrecking. I wanna rebuild this. I wanna rebuild my place. I wanna rebuild the connection that we have with this person. So with the Two of Wands here, I mean Two of Swords, there was a separation. They really want now. See, Two of Swords is clarified by another Two of Swords. So this is a strong depiction that there is really separation, whether it is energetic or physical. Physical, you are really far from each other. Energetic, which means that you might still be seeing each other, but there is a gap, energetic gap. Less communication to no communication, but this person wanted to rebuild and have a celebration with you. With the Five of Swords, I told you, both of you, this is your both wish fulfillment. They will really give you justice. If you have been mistreated by this person, they're gonna treat you more than you expect. Give you the attention, the love that you were deprived before. You might be connecting with a Libra or has a Libra placement in their chart, or you have a Libra placement in your chart. Well, I can see here is Scorpio. This person's gonna come back to fix what was broken. If you have a question with this reading, there is a link in the description box. Click that link, you'll be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. 500 likes for this video, and your next video will be a full reading. Scorpio, I hope to see you also in the other channel, Timeless Tarot 111. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you in the next reading. Goodbye.